how to free up memory by stopping background apps on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here, click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Device Care. After click on Device Care, you will see third option is Memory. Click on Memory. After click on Memory, you will see click on View More and again click on View More. So if you want to free up memory by stopping background, so you will see click on Photo Editor and click on Clean Now. After click on Clean Now, you will see after the process go back to home screen. So that's how you can free up memory by stopping background apps on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.